What's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're currently looking at Litecoin price action, continuing to experience some tremendous buy pressure and support here as we make our way to and through resistance to my immediate short-term target. Price action still headed toward $226 per Litecoin. That is going to be my immediate short-term target here for upside in the kind of coming weeks to months. We just have suggested resistance and sell pressure present for us at that level. $226 is still going to be my target moving forward. Once we have broken that level as resistance and confirmed it as support, we can then use that level as a bullish area of accumulation and anticipate higher targets of resistance moving forward. However, as I mentioned, $226 per Litecoin. We also have the 0.5 Fibber Rigatoni level to watch out for, $218, suggesting sell pressure leading up to my key level there. However, $226 is still my target. We have a bullish area of support here present for us all the way down at $176 per Litecoin, a bullish area of accumulation that I was suggesting throughout this sideways as support was being established. We have continued upside supported by these robo advisors bullish on price action since the beginning of October here. All of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bullish on price action during this phase of consolidation at support. This continued upside does suggest bullish continuation of the uptrend for us moving forward toward my overhead target here. So there are definitely not many reasons to be selling at the moment. Lots of factors contributing to bullish upside for Litecoin. Lots of areas of support and buy pressure present here for us. $176 would have been the bullish area to accumulate. Accumulating right now may be subject to the highest chance of short-term downside as we interact with key areas of support here. I do believe, as I mentioned, $176 should have been your area of accumulation right now. I do believe you can accumulate today with anticipation of continued upside from our robo signals, and I expect interaction with my target, $226. However, like I mentioned, accumulating at current levels may be volatile as we see some fluctuations in price. If we look at our previous buy signals coming into play back at the end of July, we have the buy 2 on the 24th, the buy 4 on the 26th, and then after 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish on price action after accumulation, we saw up to 77% in gains over the following 42 days, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $17,000 just by sitting around smelling at it. If you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 35% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And as you can see, price action after experiencing those sell signals on the 7th of September, we did actually experience up to 22% in downside before becoming bullish again. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit to have the highest chances of success. There are many different robo-advisors available, so it is key to pick 3 that suit your trading strategy the best, and once 2 of your chosen 3 robo-advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, we can use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. At the moment, we're looking at all 3 of our chosen robo-advisors bullish on price action. We have support found at a key level, $176, acting as support here for us. Price action making its way toward my immediate short-term target here, $226. I'm looking out for an interaction with $218. However, I'm expecting that 226 level. Let me know in the comments down below where you think Litecoin is going to go. What are you thinking of price action moving forward? We're taking a look at OXT against USDT. What do we have here? Price action experiencing some very bullish upside in a rather short amount of time. We have October looking to be very bullish for this coin moving forward. We have our buy signals coming into play on the 15th of October candle here. All 3 of our chosen robo advisors are back to bullish on price action. Now we're currently looking at potential interaction with support here. We have 45 cents acting as a key area of potential support. I would like daily candles to find themselves back above this level, opening and closing body and wick above it to confirm it as support here and a potential bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside. We can get bullish on continued upside with these robo advisors in play if they remain on price action. That does suggest continued upside for the uptrend here. Once support has been found, my key level of 45 cents, once that has been technically confirmed as support, I'm looking for price action to make its way back up to this kind of key level of resistance overhead. We have 67 cents as my immediate short-term target once support has been found. I'm always looking for these technical key confirmations here, and so say we fail to find support at this key level, we are making our way back down all the way down to 33 cents per OXT. So I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. I'm looking for continued buy pressure and support off of 45 cents per OXT. Failure to hold that level, as I mentioned, will bring us down to 33 cents, another bullish area of accumulation we can utilize with anticipated upside here. Once support has been found, we're making our way up to my immediate short-term target here of 67 cents. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with this coin moving forward. Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Now, we're taking a look at SAND against US dollar tether price action, currently making its way above a potential area of support. I'm looking for confirmations of 80 cents as support. 80 cents per SAND is going to be the key level I would like to confirm as support moving forward. Daily candles opening and closing, body and wick above this level would further solidify it as support and would allow us to potentially use it as a bullish area of accumulation. We're looking at some bullish Robo advisors in play as well, suggesting some continued upside. All I'm looking for now is technical confirmations of a key level of support. 80 cents is going to be the key level of support I am looking for moving forward. Once support has been found, we are making our way up to my immediate short-term target here, just a key level of resistance waiting for us, 98 cents per SAND coin moving forward. That is going to be just a key area of resistance I believe we are making our way toward once support has been found. I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. We can use 80 cents as a bullish area of accumulation once it is confirmed as support by daily candles opening and closing above that key level. We have these Robo advisors back in play, bullish on price action. The buy 4, buy 1, and moon are all bullish on price action moving forward. So I do believe we are very close to this phase of accumulation here, and we can use my key area 80 cents as a bullish area of accumulation as long as this is maintained as support. Failure to hold this level will bring it all the way down to another bullish area of support waiting for us, all the way down at 58 cents per SAND. However, right now I'm looking for confirmations of 80 cents in my opinion. So always looking for these key interactions with key levels here. Price action, trading can be very easy if you maintain a systematic type pattern. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. What are your thoughts on this coin moving forward? We're taking a look at Ethereum price action making its way above a key level here to consider. As I mentioned, $4,186 was resistance for Ethereum. Now potentially looking to confirm it as support. We want price action, daily candles opening and closing above this key level here, $4,186 per Ethereum. That is going to be the key level we would like to confirm as support moving forward. One more key level of resistance waiting for us overhead to give us a hard time is going to be $4,375 per Ethereum. That is going to be just the kind of like one of the final levels of resistance in our way before we can experience some perhaps euphoric upside through the multi-thousand-dollar range here, perhaps interacting with a $6,185 Ethereum in the coming weeks to months here. I do believe we are very bullish on the continuation of the uptrend here. If we just have to confirm some final levels of support and solidify that below before we can continue this upside. Any sort of sideways retracement or downside that we experience in the immediate short term, I do believe is going to be very bullish for price action moving forward. The more we stay sideways, the more we can accumulate, and the more of a healthy kind of uptrend we can have. The more time we can spend perhaps in this multi-thousand-dollar range up near $6,000 per Ethereum. However, the upside will very much continue once it is kind of ready here. We're just looking for continued confirmations of support. As I mentioned, $4,186 looking to become support moving forward. Daily candles opening and closing above that level is going to maintain bullish buy pressure present here for us. We also have support waiting for us all the way down at $3,927 per Ethereum. So we just have, key levels waiting for us in the immediate short term. If we were to experience any sort of downside, we also have resistance overhead waiting to give us a hard time before we can continue the uptrend. Looking for confirmations of these key levels making our way towards 6K. Let me know down below where you think Ethereum will go. Now we're looking at Bitcoin price action, crypto, the currency currently, interacting with these key levels. We're looking for support off of my key level, $58,800 per Bitcoin is going to be support waiting for us. As you can see, the buy pressure is very much too potent though at the moment. We have, price action failing to get into the 50K range. We have, prices reaching into, 59,000, 59,500 even. However, only going to those levels very briefly, and quickly we found our way back into the 60K range, currently interacting with price action above $62,000 per Bitcoin. So just very bullish right now. Lots of buy pressure present. As you can see, it's very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin. We have resistance overhead, $64,800 per Bitcoin is just going to be a key level of resistance. We may need to, break through and confirm as support potentially. We may not come back to that level and confirm it as support. We may just, see some rather vertical upside perhaps once we are free from these key levels of resistances overhead. I do believe we are making our way into the six-figure range, perhaps interacting with a $129,000 Bitcoin before any sort of, long-term downside is to be considered. It's very hard to be bearish on price action right now. We set some very bullish new all-time highs within the last kind of week here. We just now need to confirm these final areas of support before it is ready for, some very euphoric upside. We're looking for confirmations of these key levels here. As you can see, the buy pressure is very much present. However, it is not impossible for price action to see the $58,000 level again before making its way upward here. Perhaps one more opportunity to buy Bitcoin below 60K may present itself, but as I keep mentioning, the buy pressure is very much present. So as you can see, we are spending a lot of our time in this 60K range. As soon as we drop down below it, we just slip right back up again. So at the moment, in the immediate short term, perhaps consider an area of support waiting for us all the way down at $61,748 per Bitcoin. Just consider that as a potential key level that we may kind of pull back to in the immediate short term here. However, moving forward, we are just looking, very bullish in my opinion, and the buy pressure is very much present. We just need a breakthrough and confirmation of support of $64,800 per Bitcoin. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. It's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, in my opinion, only better times. Right now, we're looking at perhaps some of the last of the best times to be buying Bitcoin before we are in some very euphoric, unattainable figures. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.